Beware of the person who keeps praising you all the time, because such person is very dangerous. Stop being prisoner of your past. Be the architect of your future. Happiness is not the absence of problems. It's the ability to deal with them. The best way to avoid disappointment is to not expect anything from anyone. We don't grow when things are easy. We grow when we face challenges. If you want to be successful, you must respect one rule: never lie to yourself. The easiest way to escape from a problem is to solve it. Kindness is the language which the deaf can hear and the blind can see. If anything is worth doing, do it with all your heart. 5 steps to happiness. Smile more, think less, be present, give more, expect less. Never depend too much on anyone. Everyone changes when they meet new people. Life is the most difficult exam. Many people fail because they try to copy others, not realizing that everyone has a different question paper. Difficult roads often lead to beautiful destinations. Never cry for that person who doesn't know the value of your tears. Don't use your energy to worry. Use your energy to believe. Burn the past. Turn the pages. Move on. Focus on the people who inspire you, not the ones who annoy you. Never make permanent decisions on temporary feelings. Trust takes years to build, seconds to break, and forever to repair. Honestly, I don't have time